no one is spared. And all those persons who are attached, who are connected to these cases, they are taken for task. And I want to reach to a logical end where the girl is. The mindset should be such that I am a public servant. Mindset should be that I am a public servant. Mr. SP, now in a month's time you have come here. For a month you are here only. What I have said just now, have you heard it? Ensure that the work culture revives in your district. You are a sincere, honest, upright officer. This is the understanding we have. And I expect you that you ensure to take serious action against all such erring officials who were involved in this case. And let it be an example for all the officers in the state as to what are they supposed to do, how they are supposed to behave, and how are they supposed to conduct themselves in public domain. Mr. Verma, it's not a case of issuing charge sheet. It's a matter of changing their mindset. Don't create fear, but there should be deterrent steps. All these, what I am saying is, it should come in their routine discharge of duties. The mindset should be such that I am a public servant. Mindset should be that I am a public servant. I should not forget I am a human being. I must treat others also as a good human being. And God has given you this chance to maintain law and order and public order. Discharge this duty, ensuring good to the public at large, protecting them against invasion of their life and liberty and property, not to exploit them, not to torture them, not to embarrass them, not to deprive them. This is the duty of a police officer. People should not have a fear psychosis because they are going to police station. They should be protected. They should be extended helping hand. This is what is expected of you people. You take oath also, I believe. You take oath once you qualify IPS. Why should you not imbibe that culture which a person after taking oath is supposed to have? You forget everything once you are posted as SP. I don't want to comment upon your status as SP, but I can always comment upon the way you have conducted yourself as SP, which is unbecoming of a public servant. See, if a person cannot justify the obligations which he owes towards public while holding the post, does he qualify himself to hold that post? If we, while sitting on this seat of justice, are not able to impart justice or reach out to the expectations of people at large who have reposed faith and trust upon us, if there is a smell of some kind of a bias, partisan, or favoritism, we would be also falling in the domain of vulnerable. We will also be vulnerable in public domain. The consciousness has to be there when you hold the post. The same thing goes with you also. We really very feel sorry with this kind of a state of affairs, and ensure that no one is spared. And all those persons who are attached, who are connected to these cases, they are taken for task. And I want to reach to a logical end where the girl is. You have to galvanize all this machinery which is in your under your jurisdiction to ensure that this, whether she is living or she is dead, whatever it is, but you must reach to a logical conclusion. We record total dissatisfaction over the state of affairs, particularly in this district Guna. Mr. SP, now in a month's time you have come here, for a month you are here only. What I have said just now, have you heard it? Ensure that the work culture revives in your district. And Mr. Verma, you also ensure that in the entire Chambal and Gwalior division, things do not happen the way it happened in this case. I will keep it pending. And now you come, now you sit down. Mr. Raghuvanshi, now let me know what steps you're supposed to take now. Because so far it's all a trash, I should say. We should not get into this trash.